Hey going guys, James here from Carbon Offroad. Now, how do you guys store your gear, like your off-road gear, your food, all that kind of stuff in your four-wheel drives? Today we've got a solution from Carbon Offroad. We have two different types of gear cubes here. We've got the large one and the small one. Now they're still quite large in size anyway. So let's just unbox one of them here quickly, and we can just take you through what they're all about and put one together. And hopefully I know how to put one together. So we'll just open one up, and look, hey, they fold flat, so if you want to store them away, it's quite easy to store away. So once we open that up, you can see it's a nice thick, it's a 500 denier double-sided vinyl as well, so easy to clean, easy to wash out. If you get mud in there or spill a drink, whatever, just hose it out, hang it out, go again. So easy as. Now, before we get started into it, you can see that the top or the lid is tinted. The reason why we've done that is that, you know, if you do store them not in a drawer system, and the UV light tends to like to, especially in Australia, break down, you know, winch ropes and all that kind of stuff. So it kind of slows that process down, which is a really good feature, and stops prying eyes as well. So, and also keeps your items a little bit cooler. Like say for instance, if you got a bit of dry food in there, like, you know, not cold food, but if you got some, you know, chips and stuff like that, and you don't want them to get rocketing hot, it just helps with that as well. So, right, let's put this together. So inside of here, we have these bits and pieces, and this one has a zip, so you can, you know, store extra items in it as well, and then also a flap off the back here if you want to put other items in there as well. So what these do, these give it a little bit of support. You just peel back that Velcro and you just pop it on there, and then there as well. I feel like I'm doing one of those Demtel ads. Here we go. And if you're a kid from the 90s, you'd know exactly what I'm talking about if you watched a bit of late night TV. Anyway, so same with this one here. This one goes over to this side here, and as well, it's got like a little pocket there for, you know, change, or, you know, your salt and pepper, whatever you want to put in there, or some other recovery gear. And that offers the support for the items. There you go. So that's the large size. Now the different sizes are, let's give it a tape measure. So height wise, they're 180 high. So that would be still okay for all your drawer systems. And width, we're looking at 500 by 400. So that'll fit perfectly into drawer systems. And also these ones you can probably double up. So the smaller one's 300 by 400, and still with 180 high. This is in millimeters too as well, guys. So, and there you have it. Easy to keep clean. So that's why, look, you know, I personally really like keeping your stuff neat and tidy in your four-wheel drive. Reason being is when you need to go get something, you know where it is. It's easy to get to. And you can see, well, I can see anyway in front of me here, I don't know with the camera angle, but I can see there's a kinetic rope and so on in there. So it's quite still easy to see what you've got going in this one, but it's not easy to let the UV light through. So in this one here, we got a kinetic rope, we've got a winch extension rope, some soft shackles, a kind of bow shackle as well. You've got a tire deflator over on the side pocket there. So yeah, so there you go, guys. Carbon Offroad Gear Cubes, two sizes. Check them out on our website and see how you go, and neaten up your four-wheel drive. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.